Can an AI build a working FlipperZero app with no human intervention? As a developer with over 10 apps in the official Flipper catalog, I was curious. I pitted ChatGPT against Claude with a simple challenge, and the result was not what I expected. The FlipperZero's real power comes from custom community apps. As an experienced Flipper developer, I wanted to see if today's AI heavyweights, ChatGPT and Claude, could generate a functional app from a simple prompt. The goal? Create a Hello World app. The critical rule: I cannot change a single character of their code. I have to compile and run it exactly as provided. This is a raw test of their understanding of the Flipper SDK. First up, ChatGPT. I gave it a clear prompt. Write a simple FlipperZero app in C that displays the text "Hello AI" on the screen. This app should have a single view and exit when the back button is pressed. Please provide the C code file and the necessary manifest file, otherwise known as application.fam. In just a few seconds, it produced the C file and the manifest. At a glance, the C code looked plausible, but some of the API calls seemed off. As expected, let's save the files without any changes and try to compile them using the official Flipper build tools. Let's try to compile. And we get an error. Failed parsing manifest. The warning is correct. The syntax is completely wrong. This is pretty horrible. We haven't even gotten to the root of the code, and we already have an issue. ChatGPT may have understood the request, but delivered code that is useless. I'll give it a score of 1 out of 10. Now Claude gets the exact same prompt. Claude not only provided the code faster, it also explains the app's structure, the manifest file details, and includes commenting in the code. And at a first glance, it seems like it understands some of the Flipper SDK. Let's copy the files over and give it a test. Claude wants us to add a 10 by 10 pixel PNG icon named icon.png to the same folder. It did not provide one, which is unfortunate, but for our testing, I will copy one from another app. Now we can build the app. Whoa, Claude's code actually worked. No errors at all. No red text. It compiled perfectly on the first try, creating a functional FAP file. That alone is a huge step up. Now, let's load the app onto the Flipper. And here we go. Hello AI appeared on the screen, and the back button exits the app as requested. Perfect execution. The result is painfully clear. ChatGPT gave me a confident but completely broken answer. The code was clearly based on an old, outdated understanding of the SDK, leading to an instant build failure. Claude, however, developed a well-documented and fully functional app. It demonstrated a much deeper, more current understanding of the FlipperZero's modern SDK, producing code that worked on the first try with zero edits. This highlights a critical point when using AI for development on a niche, evolving platform like the FlipperZero. In this matchup, Claude was simply miles ahead. So, in the battle of AI versus the FlipperZero, Claude was the decisive winner. If you enjoyed this experiment, subscribe for more FlipperZero and tech content. I'm JBlanked. Thanks for watching. Peace.